What's going on, everyone? It's MV from Weldtec Designs. Welcome to another video. We have a very robust build for you guys today. One of the most robust builds that we've done on the channel. Guys, welcome. This is a Coachmen CrossTrail 22XG, a very small but very powerful motorhome, especially with the Weldtec Designs Adventure Kit on it. Before we start, guys, there's links down below to all the products that we're mentioning. Go ahead and click on those links down below. There's a lot of information on our product pages, and in addition, you can give us a call on our website. Also, we have our new Calendly link. Go ahead and click that down below, and if you want to have a nice little 15 to 30 minute session carved out just for you to get your rig dialed in like this, the Calendly link is for you. Without further ado, let's check this out right now, guys. This thing, I mean, just look, we got the full shebang. Every single option from Weldtec Designs on this. Literally every single option and more, and we'll get to that right now. We got our 4-inch adventure kit on this. Really nice. Right in here, we got our larger coil spring, we got our Fox shock, and of course our extended radius arm. All beautiful components, all manufactured, designed in the United States of America. Very nice. Of course, right here we got our BF Goodrich KO3 tire, a very nice all-terrain tire. This is a 235/85/16, and we've got the Ultra wheels, the black Ultra wheels, the matte ones. Really nice. Just giving this whole thing overall a really great look. In the front, some obvious things that we can see right here. First of all, we got blackout headlights. We got our blackout grille. We have a tube winch bumper with the classic top hoop. A really beautiful component. Like, come in a little bit, like check out those welds. This is the kind of quality that you're getting from Weldtec Designs. This is a really nice bumper with the top hoop. I like this option because, you know, if you're driving down the road and you might hit, I don't know, some kind of animal, well, as Jeremy says, it's not going to end up in your wife's lap. It's going to hit this instead. I don't know why he always says that, but there you go. We don't have the winch in here yet, but you do have ample space in here to run a winch. And we're running our new design heavy duty hitch mount. This thing is super great. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mounting points in there. Super strong component. It's not gonna let you down. It's not gonna fail. Down here, a little harder to see, but we do have our Fox steering stabilizer, a very beautiful component, reducing feedback from the tires when you're running down the road, as well as reducing the bump steer that you get in these E-Series chassis, as well as our modified I-beams, which are gonna correct the camber. Very nice situation going on here. Here in the bumper, you can see also you got these mounting points. You got plenty of mounting points for lights. Just overall, this thing is ready for the desert, guys. Me and Jeremy just got back from King of Hammers, and I can totally see something like this out there. And by the way, we saw some of your guys' rig out there at King of Hammers, right? Comment down below if we saw you. We're putting out that video soon, the vlog where me and Jeremy did our camp to camp sales. Guys, that was so much fun. Okay, you'll notice, so 4-inch adventure kit, it's gonna be a little higher, right? This isn't a huge RV, but still a little bit higher. We have right here our brand new Weldtec Design side step for the Class C RV, a really great component. And actually, I do have a tape measure right here because I want to show you guys. Without that step, you're at about 2 feet to get up into your RV. So right here, that's about 2 feet right there. So that step just makes it a little nicer, a little easier to get into your RV. We got the aluminum tread plate on there for added safety, and of course our beautiful WTD badging. Love it. Let's move on. Oh, guys, right here, additional bigger RV, bigger step. We got our single quickie here. Just makes it a little easier right there instead of having to go right there. Yeah, all wired, all installed by us here at Weldtec Designs in El Cajon, California, or if you want, at Piedmont Performance over in North Carolina, or in Vancouver, Canada, Van Toys, shout out Chrome. Check it out, guys. Dually situation here, the KO3 tires. We're running our progressive leaf springs built to the weight of your coach. A very nice component because it just makes the ride so much better, and you get way more articulation out of this coach, as well as more load carrying capacity. Of course, we also have our Fox shocks in all 4 corners, so in the rear as well. And as you can see, our Ultra wheels, very nice. And you'll notice, because this person's very optioned out, there's no valve stem extensions. Most people would opt for that. But the nice thing is with these Ultra wheels, you actually don't need to run them. You can actually reach in there and get your tire pressure, air up, air down, whatever you need, dialed in. Super sweet. There's a lot of components to this. There's some surprises that you don't see. So let's move on to the back over here. In the back, guys, we have a lot going on. So first of all, we got a full-size spare tire with that Ultra wheel. Keep in mind, most of your RVs aren't coming with a spare tire, and you know AAA isn't coming with a KO3 235/85/16. So we have not only a spare tire mount, but we also have space for storage. So this is our dual swing bumper here at Weldtec Designs. Really, really nice component. And additionally back here, this customer opted to add, pull out the pin, a folding table mount. So now you have space for a folding table. It doesn't have to be in your shower. I know it's something that drives you guys crazy. I'm gonna lock this back in very briefly here. So folding table is gonna be right there on the back of your RV, outside of your shower, really great. But what's nice about this bumper, especially in this customer's case, as we'll see in a second, is it does swing out, all right? Let's look at this before we get to the next swing. 2 boxes mounted on the back of this. Ample space for storage. Really, really nice. Really, really nice back here. 2 beautiful boxes for lots of storage. And of course, on top, we got our new utility box carrier. You could put firewood back here. You could put gas cans, water cans. Just another nice extra storage option for you guys. This is one of our new products here at Weldtec Designs. It's not even on the website yet, but when you call to schedule your install, you know it exists now. Super sweet option. So we're gonna pull this thing out. And as you can see, super helpful for this customer because this is in fact a toy hauler. Super sweet. And you can see that bed will fold down. So this is very common. This is the 22XG, CrossTrail 22XG, a Forest River product. You can see this is a toy hauler, so a dual swing bumper is perfect for this customer. Absolutely love it. Wow. Really some good stuff going on here with this RV. And guys, we're not even done yet. I got one more component I'm gonna show you in 1 second. And lastly, guys, I'm gonna POV this because the space is very tight here. We have installed the EQ Systems auto leveling jacks, a very new product for us at Weldtec Designs that we're also installing. So guess what, guys? This thing is super sweet because not only do we have this nice control panel here and you can just do 1-click auto leveling, but it also has its own designated app on Android and iOS featuring Bluetooth connectivity, so you don't even have to be inside your coach to level your RV. This is one of the new products we're offering at Weldtec Designs. This thing is awesome. This thing is super sweet and we're really glad and proud to be carrying this product. You'll be seeing it in some more videos very soon. I got a video coming out of Jeremy all about this new product. It's really great. And there it is, guys, the Coachmen CrossTrail 22XG, a very nice, very small, but very mighty RV with the Weldtec Designs 4-inch adventure kit, tube winch bumper, ultra wheels, Fox shocks, side steps, Class C side steps, making that step a little bit easier to get in. Of course, our dual rear swing bumper, very nice because it's a toy hauler, gives you that access to the garage back there. 2 boxes, auto leveling jacks, folding table mount, and the utility box mount. Guys, what more could you want out of your RV? This is the supreme package here at Weldtec Designs. I mean, the only thing I missed maybe is just the badging. Yeah, we got our Weldtec Designs badging. That thing's really nice. But guys, this thing is super sweet. Keep in mind, all the links are in the description down below. Go ahead and click those links. There's a lot of the information that you need. A lot of your questions will be answered on those product pages. Give us a call on our website right there. Click the Calendly link, book a 15 to 30 minute free van RV suspension consultation. We're gonna get you dialed just like this person is. This person is desert ready. They're ready to have some fun out there. This is MB from Weldtec Designs, guys. That's all I got. See you in the next video. Peace.